Hello everybody, I hope you guys are doing well. So I know it's some crazy time right now and we're all sort of locked down. Well, I know some places are open, but in general I guess we're all staying home and trying to keep up and stay safe and keep others alive as well. I know it's crazy times, I know we're all struggling in some way or the other, but we're getting through, right? We're alive, we're well, and we're grateful for that. But anyways, the channel can't stay idle. We got to keep the channel going. And so today I decided to just drop in and have like a quick, a quick one. Okay, so excuse my skin. My skin is having its own quarantine period, going through a whole lot of things right now. So I'm just going to do like a quick slay and then we will get onto it, right? Okay. So let's get the hair on. Since my hair is already on, in this video I'm going to be using my MAC eyebrow pencil to fix my eyebrows, and I'll be right back. Now my brows are not meant to be perfect. I'm not looking for the most perfect brows, but I just want to do a quick one. So this will do, and then I'll just try to blend some more. We're not trying to get like some really crisp eyebrows. We're just trying to get something we can work with, right? So my skin is going through its own type of lockdown right now and stress, and so it's breaking out like no. So you will find some acne here and there or pimples here and there. So excuse that, but it's okay. It's allowed to do its thing. Everybody's stressing out in one way or the other, and I am too in my own way. So that's how my skin decides to react to it. So with my cleansing water, I'm going to cleanse my skin quickly. I'm not sure what else is going on with it, but I just don't want to irritate it some more. So cleanse it a little bit, and then now I'm going to be using my MAC Studio Fix Fluid SPF 15 in NW48. Alright, so I'm going to go in one more time with my concealer, and then I will go right into the palette that brought us here today, right? Okay. So just to conceal, highlight, and all that good stuff, I'm just going to use that shade. I wish they had names for all of it, but anyway, I'm going to be using the one right here. And then I'll be blending it out in a minute. So we're going to blend this out, and I'm going to spray that with my MAC spray. Okay, and just blend. I'm going to be using another foundation to contour, and this time I'm using my Sephora in the shade Deep. This is Sephora 10-Hour Wear Perfection. I love this foundation. If you've ever tried it, please let me know. I so love it. So I'm just going to use one pump, and I think that should do, because like I said, I'm not doing anything super. So just a little contour would do, and that should do it. Same. I'm just gonna go over that. Yes, I am using my Sacha Buttercup. Also going in with my contour effect. Now that that's done, I can go straight to the palette. So today's palette we're going to be using is by Juels. I love the packaging, all white with gold, favorite colors. So I'm going to take that off. Let me just say a few things about the palette. So I love the logo, and then I like how they have the colors, the names of all the shadows right in the back, so it's easier for you to know which shadow you're using. And then my favorite part of it is that they have a mirror. It's probably dirty because I've been playing around with it in excitement. So they have a mirror, which I absolutely love, because I can look at it and just, you know, use it. So I'll probably use it today. The plastic that was on there just fell, so we're not going to worry about that. So today, like I said, we're going to try to keep it very simple. So I'm not going to do too much. So I'm trying to figure out which colors would be okay, because these are quite vibrant. So we'll see. Alright, so I'm going to go into the crease first of all. So using my brush, I'm going to be using this color. And this is in the shade Love. And we're going to be using that in the crease. If you're ever looking to purchase this palette, I will put all the information in the description box. That way it's easier for you to check the girl out. She is really sweet and just trying to get her brand going, so I really like it if you guys could support her. She has amazing stuff, lip glosses to palettes, you know, and some lipsticks, matte lipsticks, beautiful stuff. And it's not gonna break your bank, you know, like some other products we all know. So let's support our girl, okay? I'll put all information in the description box. Okay, so now that we have that, I want to go in with this color right here. It's yellow. So we're going to go in with a yellow color, and it's in the shade You. Oh, so I just told you guys I love you. Alright, so we're going to go in with that shade. With this purple color, tap it just so it gives it a little bit of a darkness in the corner. So I'm trying to use a more defined brush. Just tap a little bit just to see if it will give it like a little darker look over there in the corner. So right here. And with a brush I used for my crease, just blend out any harsh line. With my blending brush and with no color whatsoever, I am just going to blend out just a little bit, just so it doesn't look too harsh. We're going to go in with our eyeliner, and you know, as always, I use my black liners, liquid liners, but I'm going in first with my dark one just in the inner tear ducts, and then I will go in with my liquid liner. Going in with my glitter liner. Alright, so that's the eyes. So while that's drying up, I'm going to go into the inner tear duct with the highlighter to look a little more vibrant and more awake. So I'm going in with this color right here. And the mascara we're using is Wet n Wild Makeup Protein. Going in with my blush. We're going to the other favorite product I got from Juels Cosmetics, which is their lipstick. So I picked up one lipstick which I absolutely find gorgeous, okay? Very dramatic and gorgeous. And it's in the name Mistress. So this is the packaging, my favorite. So I'm gonna line my lips real quick and then we're gonna get to this, okay? Can y'all see that? and it glides on so smooth. Lipstick. It's matte. It doesn't feel dry. You barely feel it. I love the color. Absolutely love it. I have no complaints, none at all. So I'm just gonna finish this face, finish the hair, get my lashes on, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so we're back. So this is the finished look. I had my wig fixed and ready to go. I'm supposed to probably straighten it up a little bit, but I don't feel like doing all of that. It's okay. It's okay. I can walk into Walmart like this. It's okay. I will put all the information down in the description box if you guys want to check them out. Thanks so much guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If there's any question whatsoever, comment, all that good stuff, make sure you drop it in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed, you know what to do. Make sure you hit that red button. Make sure you also hit the notification button. That way you get notified anytime I drop a video. And of course, don't forget to share, comment, all that good stuff. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. As always, don't forget, well, you're allowed to dream it, you're allowed to what? Speak it, and you're definitely allowed to live it. Don't worry, I'm wearing a shirt. So, alright guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out. Mwah.